Hey folks, remember these email templates I was telling you about a second ago? Let's show you how to put them into sequences. Alright, so under the automation tab, you'll find sequences. And what you'll do within here is you can also create a folder if you'd like to for sequences, but I find usually not necessary. Usually people don't create that many different sequences, but if you do, use a folder. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to hit the big orange button, Create Sequence. And what you'll see here is there are some pre-made sequences. We typically don't use these. We typically like to build ours out from scratch, and I'll build out a sample one for you, show you what we do and what our best practices is. First thing I like to do is turn off thread emails as replies. We want each email to look like its own individual thing. And I like to leave on execute steps on business days only. No one's checking their, hopefully no one's checking their week email on Saturday or Sunday. So here we see a sequence summary. We'll see the steps, how many days it's going to take to complete, automation percentage, and unenroll criteria. Now, let's see, how would we start? We would hit the plus sign here, and let's say you want to use one of those templates as an automated email. Well, you'd see your templates would just pop up here. They'd populate, and we just hit practice 1. And let's say after practice 1, best practice for us is usually a call. So we'd do a call after the first email. If they don't respond, we'll do another automated email. Let's say that email is called practice 2. I've got the subject line as practice 1 because I just cloned it, but you get the picture. And then after that, let's add a general task. Let's call this task add contact on LinkedIn. And then we'll add that as well. And this will pause the sequence until you do it, as will the call. Until you have marked these complete under tasks, which we've seen only briefly at this point, the sequence will not continue sending the automated emails. And then just because I made 3, let's put another automated email in here. And then we'll call that practice 3. And then just for the sake of showing you a bit of a built out sequence, we'll put in another call task. Why not? So you can see that how these templated emails come into play. They make it so that you can put them into your sequences basically instantaneously once you're here. Just hit the plus sign and you will be able to throw a templated email into a sequence. It's really easy to put together. You can see how many steps it's going to take, how many days to complete all the steps, and I'll dive into sequences a little bit more in the next video so we can show you some of the different customizations within here. But that is how you would take a templated email from conversations, templates, and bring it into automation sequences. And you'll see how it's all built up really nicely, really quickly, easy to do. Obviously you can add some more customization here, but we'll get to that in the next video. But that's how easy peasy it is to really throw these things together.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.